So the CD shelf and the bookshelf, baker's rack, have been replaced, upgraded to the next dimension. No need for CDs if we're going to download all the information, and we kind of know it already anyways. But there's a crock pot with the CUO Gans growing over there. There's a crock pot with the nano coating second phase of steaming on a couple copper plates. There's the distilled water after the third rinse of the Gans, which I'm not sure what to do with yet, other than it seems that it's been mentioned many times not to throw it away because there's purposes for it. So I guess I'll find that out. It's a little bottle of the aminos. Let's see. There's some of the dried, well, pasty CO2 Gans from another day. There's the coils up there that are ready to be rinsed in some distilled water today after about the third day of drying. Let's check on the CO2 Gans from yesterday's wash process. So here's my process. I put the CO2 salt solution in here after sucking it out with the turkey baster. And we have a turkey baster that is just for this, there you go, just for the CO2 Gans. So I'll go in the bottom of its, you know, like say if this was a CO2 Gans, I'll go in the bottom of it and just slowly go around and suck out the powder at the bottom, or the gel at the bottom. And then I put it in one of these four, the first one, let it settle down, suck it out, put it in the second one, add distilled water, shake it up, let it settle down, suck it out, put in this one. See, this one says second rinse, first rinse, third rinse. So this one I finished last night. It's got distilled water in it. I shook it up. This morning I'll suck it out, put it in this one, just the gel at the bottom, put in some fresh distilled water, shake it up, and then again suck out most of that. And then it will be ready to pour into this that sits out overnight. Looks like it's a good pasty, soupy residue. Mostly, well, actually I think this has been there for 24 hours, I think. Yeah. There's a little heater right here, which is nice. Just got to be careful of what I put on that plate, but I'm able to turn it on and set the little tray down there near it on a little bit of an angle so that it can dry. And these guys are ready to go too. This is the CuO2 that I created a couple of days ago on its, let's see, this one's also on its second rinse. And its little turkey baster is sitting here ready for it. And we'll suck it out and put the water in there. Not sure what to do with the water that I suck out of the first few yet, so maybe someone could give me some input on that. I kept some of it and been tossing the rest. But it seems like when I get to the third rinse, that's the one that's valuable because it's fairly clean and most of the salt water is out of it. So someone can tell me what to do with that as well. Give me some input. That'd be great. So that's what happened to the office corner to give it a alchemy corner repurposing. So we put all the CDs in a box and maybe put those on Amazon so that we can play with this project. So everybody have fun. I am. If you have any input or guidelines, then let me know. Have a beautiful day.